Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain you English lesson number 2, Fun Indoors. Come to page number 18 of your textbook. What you have here? Warm up exercise. Look at the shapes of the clouds. What do they appear to you as? Students, आपको अपनी बुक में देखना है कैसे लग रहा है clouds. See in the first picture, it is looking like an elephant. In the second picture, it is looking like an horse. In the third picture, it's looking like a duck, a heart, a rabbit and a wave. It's very fun to see the changes in the cloud, right? In the changes in the shape of the cloud. Now, let's see what fun is our story having. Come to page number 19. Come to page number 19 of your book. Read. Let's start. It was a Sunday morning. Millie and Billy each ate 2 pancakes and drank some milk. Then they helped Mummy to clear away the dishes. So who's there in our story? कौन है story में? Millie and Billy. 2 kids. Okay. So what they did on the Sunday morning, they have completed their breakfast and they had also helped Mummy in clearing away the dishes. Can we go out to play now? They asked. So किसने पूछा? मिली और बिली ने पूछा मम्मी can we go out to play now? I am afraid not, Mummy said. The weather is terrible. What did Mummy replied? Weather कैसा है? It's terrible. Weather means what? The surroundings or the wind blowing is terrible. How do you know, Mummy? They asked. Who asked? Millie and Billy. आपको कैसे पता है? How do you know, Mummy? Look out of the window and you will see what I mean, Mummy said. What did Mummy said? To look out of the window and see the weather, how it is looking. They looked out of the window. It was blowing a gale outside. The wind was howling too. What do you mean by blowing a gale? It means a very strong wind was blowing. And what do you mean by howling? It means making long loud sounds. So कैसे था वेदर संडे के मॉर्निंग में? It was terrible. The winds were blowing gale. It means बहुत strong winds चल रही थी. And howling, it means sound was also there. It's freezing cold outside, Mummy said. So there's no going out for you two today. So what did Mummy said? कि आज का वेदर बहुत terrible है, बहुत ख़राब है. And you both, like Millie and Billy, are not going to go out. What can we do instead? Billy asked. You can have some fun indoors, Mummy said. Just use your imagination. Think of things what would be fun to do indoors and do them. So what did Billy said? अगर हम बाहर नहीं जा सकते, so what we can do? So what did Mummy said? You can have indoor funs. It means घर के अंदर आप कुछ fun कर सकते हो. How? Use your imagination. So that is what they did. Let's see अभी मिली और बिली ने संडे के दिन क्या किया. What they imagined. They started with some drawing and coloring. Millie made a picture of a fairy and Billy made 2 witches. They signed their names below the picture. So what the first thing they do? They had made some paintings. Come to the next page. Page number 20. Then they pretend to be pirates. So first thing Millie और Billy ने क्या की? They have made pictures. They have painted some drawings. And now what they are doing? They pretend to be pirates. It means pirates बन गए वो दोनों. They took a torch and looked all around the house for hidden treasures. They found a little toy moose hidden away behind a cupboard. It was dusty, so they washed it and it became out as good as new. So what was the other thing? क्या बन गए मिली और बिली? They became pirates. And using their torch, they were searching for an hidden treasure. And finally what they got? They got a moose. Moose means a large deer that lives in North America. क्या मिला उन्हें? एक moose मिला, a toy. After that, they pulled some chairs together and draped a sheet on them to make a tent in the living room. They took the moose into the tent. What shall we call him? Billy asked. So, what was the another thing they do? They made a tent using some chairs and sheet. What do you mean by draped? Draped means hanged loosely. ऐसे उन्होंने chairs के ऊपर क्या किया है? Sheet डाली and they called it as tent. What about Mooster? So what did Billy asked? What shall we call him? It means हम मूस को क्या बुलाएंगे? What about Mooster? Millie replied with a giggle. Hello, I am Mooster. What is your name? Billy said. It's bath time, Mummy called. Millie and Billy continued playing pretend in the bathroom. This time they pretended to be fish swimming around in a stream. So, what did Billy said? What shall we call Moose? What did Millie replied? We will call it as Mooster. Then they continued their playing. And after some time, Mummy said, it's bath time. It means किसका time हो गया? नहाने का time हो गया. See students, Millie and Billy, they started playing there also. What they pretended to be? First they pretended to be pirates and now they are pretending to be fish. क्या बन गए वो अभी? Fish बन गए. We really did have lots of fun indoors today, didn't we? Billy said as he and Millie snuggled down in their beds that evening. So it is an evening time. Snuggle means got into a warm, comfortable position. It means अब वो क्या कर रहे हैं? Evening हो गई है. They went into their beds. And what did Billy said? Yes, we have today lots of fun. That's right, Millie said. It's great to use your imagination, isn't it, Billy? What is Millie replying? Yes, of course, that's right. आज हमने बहुत सारे fun किए, right? We have lots of fun in our home using our imagination. Yes, he agreed with a yawn. Night night, Millie said. Sweet dreams. What Millie replied? Night night, it means रात हो गई. Good night, sweet dreams. Sweet dreams, Billy replied sleepily, and in no time he and Millie were both fast asleep, dreaming dreams of fun indoors. So finally both the kids they went to a sleep. So students, you can see Millie and Billy ने कितना enjoy किया घर में रहकर, right? In the same way you can also have enjoyment in your house. Yes or no? You can also have fun indoors. So students, what you have to do? You have to read this story and you need to have some fun indoors in your house. Okay? Bye bye. Read this story once again.